Motorcycle accident cases are a challenge only because there's a general bias against motorcyclists in the community. People have been irritated one way time or another by a motorcyclist who goes blasting by on the freeway or who is driving carelessly. So you've got to really present your client as a responsible motorist whose conduct at the time of the accident conformed with all of his legal responsibilities. I would say that's the greatest challenge, is overcoming the innate bias that the public has against motorcyclists generally.